Hello students. Now today we are starting with the sums in accountancy also, because main topic of the chapter introduction of partnership is that. Now actually in this chapter one question is asked in the examination of 3 marks, and to get this 3 marks, we have to do 11 sums from your textbook. 11 sums are given in exercise and 11 sums are given in your illustrations. So, total number of sums from your textbook, you have to do 22 sums. But to do that sum, I make them in different parts. And from that first part is calculation of interest on drawing. Now first part, as per my side, it's a calculation of interest on drawing. So first of all I have to calculate interest on drawing, and as per my nature always first I explaining my own sum, then after we are doing sum from the textbook, because to understand that sum, my sum is very important to understand. It may not be asked in your examination, but to understand textbook's sum, this sum is very important. That's why we are starting with my sum. Sir's example. Now what is the question? First of all we are understanding. Ram, Shyam and Ghanshyam draw 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000 respectively on 1,420, 1,720 and 1,1020 respectively. It means what? Ram draw 10,000 on 1,420. Same Shyam draw 20,000 on 1,720. And Ghanshyam draw 30,000 on 1,1020. Now we are assuming here these three are the partners. To understand interest on drawing, I had not written here they are partners, sharing profit and loss in this proportion, they have withdrawn this amount. I have written main topic only. 3 partners draw 3 amounts on different dates. Now here on different dates 1,420, 1,720 and 1,1020 respectively, they have withdrawn the amount from the partnership firm. Now what is question given? Calculate interest on drawing at 12% per annum. So you are given 12% per annum. Now 12% per annum, this is the percentage we need to calculate on drawing. Now important thing is the dates. On the basis of dates we have to calculate interest on drawing. Now for Ram, first of all we are seeing the Ram. Ram has withdrawn 10,000 rupees and its date is given 1,420. Now for how many months he has to pay interest. Now in accountancy, all of we know our accounting year ends on 31st March always. So the date on which he has withdrawn money, from that date up to the end of the year, we are calculating first number of months, and for that number of months we have to calculate interest. So here I am writing date of drawing for Ram only. So first of all, date of drawing is 1/4/20. 1/4/20 is the date of drawing for Ram. Now my year ending is on 31/3/21. It is my year ending date. Now calculate how many months person has withdrawn. How many months before person has withdrawn the money. Now calculate. So from 1/4/20 to 31/3/21, how many months are there? So 1/4 means 4 months is whole. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, again 1, 2 and 3 up to 31/3. So 12 months are there. So here from 1/4/20 to 31/3/21, there is 12 months. So Ram has to pay interest of 12 months only. It means for the year. We can say for the year. But sir, why you are telling about 12 months? That you can understand in next topic. But here for the Ram, 12 month interest we need to pay. Now we need to calculate. So for Ram, amount of drawing is 10,000 rupees. So here I write 10,000 rupees into interest rate percentage given 12% per annum. So I write here 12%. So 10,000 into 12% into, for how many months we need to calculate interest. So here 12 months. For 12 months we need to calculate interest. So into 12 divide by 12. Now this 12 is for the year month. In 1 year always there is the 12 months. So divide by 12 is there. So 10,000 into 12% into 12 upon 12. Suppose here 7 months, then into 7 upon 12. Suppose here 8 months, into 8 upon 12. Suppose here 3 months, then into 3 upon 12. 12 remain fixed. Divide by 12 remain fixed because it is a yearly months, and yearly months are 12. That's why divide by 12. That you know very well. This all the things is already in your 8th, 9th, 10th standard also. Now again I repeat, calculation of drawing for Ram. Now interest on drawing, for that we need to calculate number of months before how many months person has withdrawn money. So on 1/4/20 person has withdrawn money, and up to year end date. So 1/4/20 to 31/3/21 date is, up to that date number of months is 12. So we need to pay, or we need to receive from Ram rupees interest on 12 months. So Ram calculation 10,000 into 12% into 12 upon 12. Answer is 1200 rupees. So Ram have to pay 1200 rupees as an interest to the firm. So Ram have to pay and firm have to receive. So first calculation is completed. Now, first calculation is completed. Now we are calculating same thing for other partner. Now for Shyam, again we can see here, Shyam has withdrawn 20,000 on 1/7/20. So change here date 1/7/20. On 1/7/20, Shyam drawing 20,000 rupees. Now from 1/7/20 to 31/3/21, how many months are there? First we need to calculate that thing. So start from the 7. Why 7? Because 7 month is whole. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. So 9 months are there. So here not a 12 months. If we are firm, then we have to collect interest of 9 months. And if we are partner, then I have to pay 9-month interest. So calculation is done on the basis of 9 months. So for Shyam, see here, for Shyam withdraw 20,000 on 1/7/20. So 20,000 into 12%, which is 12% per annum given, into 9 divided by 12. Now see here, only change is 9. So here into 12 upon 12, because 12-month interest we need to calculate. Here 9-month interest we need to calculate. So into 9 upon 12. Remaining amounts are as it is. So 20,000 into 12% into 9 divided by 12. Answer is 1,800 rupees. So if we are firm, then I need to collect 1,800 rupees from Shyam. Now, for third partner also, we need to calculate interest on drawing. So date of third partner, sir, Ghanshyam had withdraw 30,000 rupees on 1/10/20. Now from 1/10/20 up to year end, again we need to calculate here. So change the date from 1/10/20. So here write 1/10/20. From 1/10/20 up to 31/3/21. How many months are there? So again calculate 10. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 and 3. So up to year end there is 6 months. So here not 9 months. We need to calculate interest for 6 months only. And that's why calculation of Ghanshyam, amount withdrawn by Ghanshyam is 30,000 into percentage 12% into only changes is 6 divided by 12 is equal to 1,800 rupees. Now, firm has to receive from Ghanshyam 1,800 as interest on drawing. So this is the calculation of interest on drawing for my son. Now if you have any doubt, then you can ask me by chatting. Thank you very much. In next lecture, we will see somewhat difficult sum. Thank you very much. We are meeting in the next lecture.